Hi guys, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna do something really fast and fun. Even if you don't have fun, it's gonna be so fast you won't mind doing it. I'm taking regular paper and turning it into glassine paper. I've taken just some regular typing paper. This one that I had printed out on the computer, you can see when I had done it there and not here. Book paper, stamped paper, even tissue paper. Let's get started. So what you're gonna need for this project is some sort of a paper, and I'm using a thinner paper. You could use one that you've already printed off of a printer, some tissue paper that you have, packing paper, and I just stamped it. So you could use whatever you would like. I think I will start with this stamp piece I have, and I'm gonna age it a little bit before I start. And I'm just using my Distress Oxide. So I'm gonna let this dry. This is some tissue paper that I've used. And I'm just gonna make a line with water to rip it easily. I'm just gonna do a few of them. They only take a couple minutes each. What I'm also gonna need is a heat gun. A hairdryer might work. I haven't tried it with a hairdryer, but it'll take a lot longer to heat up. And you're going to need a candle, whether you have a little taper. I'm just using this candle right here. The lighter the color, the lighter the color will go on to your paper. If you used a very dark color, it would probably come out very dark on your paper. And then you're gonna need a piece of parchment paper. So for the fun of it, I think I'm just gonna start with this paper that I had printed off of my printer. I'm going to fold my parchment paper in half, open this up, and you can use whatever you want. This is soft enough that I can just use the edge of these scissors. Just wanna shave some wax and just put it in the center on top. I'm just gonna shut this, fold this down, and I'm gonna use my heat gun for a few seconds. Might need a little more wax on there, but we'll take a look. Looks like I do need a little more. But you can see how it really covered a lot, and it also goes through to the back. The thinner your piece is, the quicker it's gonna melt also. So let's move on to another piece, and we'll see what that looks like. What's nice is that this actually, you don't need to put it on the back, it actually will go through both sides. I also found that if it's gonna be hot, I just lightly press it, but I'm gonna let it cool for a second. Then when you pull it off, it becomes much, much smoother. And then you actually can see through the paper, which is really fun. So we've done these two. I'm just gonna do one more. So you can see this was really simple. All you need is parchment paper, a heat gun, a candle. Hope you guys thought this was fun. You know what? It's really easy, even if you're not having fun. This is an easy project. See how something opaque and white becomes almost see-through. You can really see the difference on this. I had also done a book page. This page only had typing on one side. But if you had typing on both sides, you would see both sides of the writing through the front side. And here was the one we did with the gummed paper. It came out kind of cool also. Whether you want to put it on a tin or a jar or use it as a tag, it's just a fun idea to take any paper you have and make it waxed, almost a glassine look. Whatever you do, have fun.